Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna unbox this new Realme Narzo 90x smartphones. So let's, without wasting any time, let's unbox this. So you will see here it is the 5G model here, and some of the Realme is written over here. At the back you will see there is some specification. So before that you have to just see, let's unbox this. Make it real box is there, and one is there. You can see here it is one type C USB to USB type C charging cable is there, and one power adapter that is very big, and also powerful also. 80-volt of fast charging adapter is given by the Realme. That is the good part of the smartphone at this price range. So let's unbox this make it real box also. So you will see one, here it is the box. So here it is the handset cable, and you can see it is having a quick start guide and one sim tray tool, and there's a cover. So friends, the cover quality is very good. About this material, you can see this material. It is a rubber, it is a totally rubber material, it is not a glass. And at this side you will see this matte finish, and at this side here it is something design over here is there. So the quality of this is very good. Let's talk about this handset and just wrap it up. So friends, here it is the smartphone. Let's unwrap it. So friends, you can see it's having the blue color, and it has two colors, that is nitro blue that I have, and another one is flash blue. So you can see it has a 3 camera setup. And let's talk about the back of this box. Here it is has specification over here, something like 7000 mAh Titan battery, 144 Hz of refresh rate, 1200 nits of ultra bright display, and Sony 50 megapixel of AI camera plus 400% ultra volume. So let's see. So friends, let's talk about the lightweight. So friends, it is very lightweight at 7000 mAh battery. It does not feel like it having it. So friends, let's open it. So you can see the ports and button over here, volume up and down rocker button, one power on off button, and at the down you will see one speaker is there, and one type C charging port, one microphone, one this same ejecting place, and here it is at the top microphone. There is nothing at this side. So friends, let's see this, and you can see what smoothness in this smartphone has given by the Realme smartphone. So friends, it is very cheap in the price, and you can definitely buy this smartphone. You can see I show you the refresh rate. So first click on the settings. Now let's click on the refresh rate here, screen refresh rate, and here it is 144 Hz of refresh rate for smoother animations and operations. So you can see it's having the highest refresh rate in this smartphone. Let's talk about its another features. So let's click on the settings and click on this about phone, and you will see here it is the processor having the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, 128 GB of model is there, and you can see battery 7000, RAM is 6 GB plus 8 GB. That is the very good part. So your smartphone will never lag in your gamings. So it has 14 GB of total RAM, has a performance booster engine also, plus 8 megapixel of camera and 50 megapixel of camera setups are there in this smartphone. Let's talk about the pictures and camera. So you can see it is having the night mode, street mode, lots of modes are here: pro mode, high res, pano, film, slow motion, time lapse are there. So let's talk about the highest resolution in the video. So you will get a 1080 pixel at 30 fps. That is the okay camera setups are there. If you are not so click many photos, so you can buy this one. let's test the video quality in this smartphone. So let's test the, it has written in the specification it is having the 400% volume. Let's test. So I have opened this music and you can see it is 400 plus volume is there, and I have played. So friends, you can check the sound quality. Sound quality is good, and the volume booster is also very good in this smartphone. Let's test the 4K video. So you can see friends, the video quality. When I just zoom it, it can zoom up to 8x zoom, and the pixel will remain the same. And you can see the quality of the video right now. It is 1440 pixel at 60 fps. It's looked like 3D. You can see upside down also. So quality of this screen is very good. At this price range, this is value for money smartphone, I think, and you can definitely purchase this one. It is quite lightweight also, about the 7000 mAh battery, and it also having the IP65 dust and water resistance, built to handle splashes, dust and daily challenges with ACE, reliable durability for rain, travel and everyday adventures. So you can see it is very sleek also. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.